Well, we've come up from Biwa, 3.5, 4 hours northwest to Biggenden. Quiet little country town, northwestern Queensland, inland from the coast. 3.5, 4 hours north of Biwa, and we'll have a look around. We're in their historical walk. We found some rock art, wall art, not rock art. Some wall art here. They've got a memory walk through here with a big bottle tree. There's a family of corn. These are people who'd settled Biggenden, I believe, or have had some impact in the area. Big bottle tree. Yeah, so this is Biggenden, and we're going to have a look around. They've got a country fair starting in showground up there tomorrow. Our caravan park's just behind that tree line, and the view, look at this, mountains in the background. It's pretty good. So yeah, back in this walk, this is from people who have come to the area and settled, cleared the land, put cows on it, whatever. The people who've made a major impact in the area. They've got a panel, a bit of history about them all. This is in the centre of Biggenden town. Short little walk. Got a nice little pergola for lunching. But yeah, and that's, I think in there's a Biggenden showground. Biggenden showground. So that's pretty much it. We'll go for a walk down the main drag too in a minute. We'll show you what the main drag's about. Not much here. It's a quiet little town. Still in the Remembrance Park at Biggenden. This is the second half of it. We started over there, walked through. There's a tall sculpture or something, but I'll just show you this down here. Now we'll look and see what this is. Biggenden Wall of Fame Pioneer Walk. Here we go. Bit of information about it. All the people who settled Biggenden. Many succeeded, some failed. Yeah. And all the names are listed, and they're all registered as settlers. And they're all ticked off in areas where they settled, so Mines Road to Gilbo. This lists the people who live there. A lot of them set Mount Shamrock in their sights. Same with Wonga, Biggenden, because they believe that's where the gold was. They came for gold, but actually turned into dairy farming because they couldn't find gold out this way, which is a bit of a turn for the books. So it proved to be a very good dairying area, but no gold. Yeah. Bit of history of Biggenden. Memorial Park. And this big statue made out of iron. I'm going to see what it's about. As I mentioned, that's the showground. Staying there for like $20 a night or something. Got to have your own power and water, but. And this is the big fella with the wheelbarrow made out of iron. He's overlooking the showground, and that's just a continuation of the walk through there. That'll take up to the main highway, and that highway goes through the Chilters. Yeah, it's Biggenden.